Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account in Dubai. Setting up your account is a straightforward process, but you'll need a few key items to get started. First, ensure you have a valid email address and a local UAE mobile number. You'll also need your Emirates ID for identity verification. Finally, have a UAE bank account or a Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card ready to link for seamless transactions. Let's walk through the initial steps to set up your PayPal account. Begin by visiting the official PayPal UAE website and selecting the Sign Up option. You'll then choose your account type, either a personal account for everyday use or a business account if you're an entrepreneur or freelancer. Next, accurately fill in your personal details, including your UAE address. Remember to create a strong, unique password to protect your account. Account verification is a crucial step for full functionality and security. First, check your email for a confirmation link from PayPal and click it to verify your address. Then, navigate to the Wallet section to link your UAE bank account or credit card. PayPal will often send small test transactions, usually less than $1, to confirm ownership. Business accounts may also require submitting extra documents, such as a commercial license, for complete verification. With your account verified, you're ready to start using PayPal for various transactions. You can now shop online, send money to friends and family, or receive payments for your freelance services or business. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication. Remember that while creating an account is free, certain transactions, like international transfers or currency conversions, may incur small fees. Enjoy the convenience and global reach of your new PayPal account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.